Hello everyone, welcome to a new review video by MZ Creative Studio for Monster One Marketplace. I am Zahid and in today's video we are going to review everything about Monster One. So without any further delays, let's get started. Monster One is a universal set of tools for launching and promoting any project. Whether you are a designer, developer or any business owner looking to deliver your project fast, Monster One has got everything for you. Their subscription plans are very affordable and there is no limit on the use of products. That is, Monster One products can be used for unlimited domains and unlimited projects, plus you also get 1 year free support and chat. First of all, there is also an option to have a free account. So like if you would like to try out the marketplace, you wanna check out different features or templates they provide, you can register for a free account here. It provides you some free digital items for any web projects you would like to use them on. So you can also create a free account on the marketplace to check out their items that they provide as free, and you can also use them on unlimited projects and you can download them as many times as you want. Let's talk about the pricing plans of the marketplace. So it offers you three plans. First one is the creative plan, as you can see here, and it starts from the 7.75 per month. If you go for annual pay, like if you pay them annually, then you will be charged this price, $7.75 per month. If you would like to pay monthly, then you will be charged $18 per month. And the things it includes are clearly listed here. You can see that this creative plan has include only graphic and design assets, presentation templates, no WordPress, CMS or HTML themes, no e-commerce themes, no plugins. It includes video and audio assets, 3D models, 1 month product support and chat, 1 month general assistance, unlimited projects, and no inclusion of unlimited lifetime access. So this is the first plan, the creative plan. The next plan is all-in-one plan, which we also recommend that you should go for. It just costs you $179 per year. It is only offered in annual subscription, like you will not have the option to go monthly for this one, and it includes everything from the creative plan and also the WordPress or CMS and HTML themes, e-commerce themes, plugin and other stuff. And only one thing it lacks is the unlimited lifetime access, which means that each year from the start day of your subscription to the next year you will pay this amount, $179 each year, whenever your subscription will renew. But for the third plan, which is a lifetime plan, it includes everything and also the unlimited lifetime access, which means that it is a one-time fee. You only pay $649 once, and then you will have the lifetime access for everything which is provided over the Monster One marketplace. To join any program, you will simply click the join now button here and it will take you to the checkout process. We recommend this all-in-one plan, and you can simply click over the join now button to join it. And we also have a 10% off coupon code for you, so you will just enter that to get an additional 10% discount over this amount. So click have a coupon link here and just put MZCS off. So this is the unique coupon code provided by Monster One to us, so that we can give it to our customers or all the users or subscribers we have, so they can get an additional 10% discount on the Monster One marketplace. Once you will enter this coupon code, just click apply, and you can see here the $17.9 are further reduced, or you get the further $17.9 discount from the original amount, $179. So this is the promo code MZCS. This stands for the marketplace MZ Creative Studio, and off is the for the discount. So you can use this coupon code to also get an additional 10% over the annual $179 all-in-one pricing plan. So this is all about the pricing. Now we can have a look over the additional features that you will get after subscribing to any of these plans. So once you have subscribed to any of the subscription plans of Monster One Marketplace, you get some additional benefits and discount, which can be seen here on the partner offers page. The first one is the template Monster Marketplace discount, where you get 35% off on all exclusive products. Template Monster Marketplace is the parent marketplace which offers you all the digital items that can be purchased exclusively, while on this additional Monster One Marketplace you get a subscription plan to use various products included in the specific plan. So by joining any of the plans from the Monster One, you get the additional 35% off when you purchase any product from the Template Monster Marketplace. So the other offers you get are from the partners of Monster One. First is the Draftium.com, which is a prototyping tool for websites, and so on the Draftium, when you subscribe you will get the 100% discount if you are an active member of the Monster One Marketplace. Similarly, there are also some of the partners. The second one is the Crello, where you get 50% off, and it is a graphic design tool. The third is the SE ranking, where you get the 15% discount, and it is an SEO platform tool. And the last but not least is the Deposit Photos, which is a stock photo website from where you can get the photos, graphics, vectors and videos for your website or graphic projects or whatever you are working on. So it offers you a 30% off discount as well if you are an active member of the Monster One Marketplace. And more partners are coming soon for the marketplace. The next thing we will be checking about are some of the templates that they provide. So I will first go from this get started category. You can just go here and see all the items they offers, or specific to any category you would like to go. I would like to go to the WordPress templates, so I will check the WooCommerce themes they provide. So you can see here all the products listed in a specific category. You can go to other categories as mentioned above. So to see the live demo of any plugin or asset you are viewing, you can simply click this live demo button here, and to see the details you will click this details button. Let's see the demo of this theme here. I will click the live demo button here, and it's loading now. So you can see this is a nice e-commerce product and can be used to create an e-commerce, which is a WordPress based WooCommerce website, because this theme is for WooCommerce. WooCommerce is an online store plugin which is being used on a WordPress platform. It is a very popular plugin, and a store can be set up in few minutes. And to see the details, as I mentioned, you will click this details button here, and it will show you all the details regarding this product. And you can see here, first we have the title, then the builder name and the author, which is the author, live demo link, this is for the subscription, you can share it, add to your collection for later preview, and some of the extra services provided by the Template Monster, like installation and online store setup and configuration, etc. And the topics, we have the tags here, the software version it is compatible with. You can see here the WordPress multilingual plugin, which is a language plugin, MailChimp, WooCommerce Evolution Slider, and there are also many other features included in this theme which are listed here as tags, you can say. So this is how you can see the details of the product. You can show more description here and hide it. So like to check any info about any product, you can see its details page. And the other best thing I saw on the Monster One Marketplace is that you get a very popular Monsterite 2 WordPress theme by Template Monster included within this plan. You can see on the Template Monster marketplace that this product is listed at $95 price, and for the annual plan you only have to pay $179 per year, and you get access to not only this item but many other premium items from this Template Monster marketplace which are being sold there exclusively. So you have like a lot of benefits, and this subscription plan worth the money. So you will be getting a lot of benefits, like you will not only have access to these WordPress themes or plugins, but you will also have access to the graphics. Like if you are working with a graphic designer, you can send them the templates you choose from here, like to adjust according to the client's requirements, and then you can get them developed from your developer, or if you are a developer. So, or even if you are a developer and you have no idea, like for a specific website project you have which template you can go for, you can simply browse here in the graphics and the categories, and you can choose some of the mockups that suits you, and you can show them to your client and they will pick one, and then you can simply develop it. So these plans offer you a great value, and it will save a lot of your money and as well as time, and you will be able to earn more in less time. So overall, I really recommend you to join the Monster One Marketplace all-in-one plan. And I would like to mention here that any products you see here on the marketplace, they are constantly updated and are being updated on daily basis. So new products are also coming in the marketplace, and the very older ones or these will also be removed, which are no longer compatible. So like the marketplace is being constantly improved and updated with new items and digital assets. So you will also not have to worry about that if you buy the plan and then after some days you get issues with the templates for not being updated. So everything you will get here will be updated on daily basis. Like if one theme is being updated on the main website, the Template Monster one, it will also get updated on the sub marketplace, which is the Monster One subscription based marketplace. So overall, I would recommend you to really get one of the plans if you like. And the unlimited access, which is the lifetime access, is the best one if you have a good agency or web development company or any company related who are working in the website development or graphic and design work. This will really offer you a great value and will help you earn more in less time. And this all-in-one plan is for everyone, whether you are a startup or anyone. You can really get a lot of benefits from this. And so as always, just don't forget to subscribe our channel and stay tuned for more videos. We have more videos coming soon, so stay tuned and have a great day.